Welcome and hi. Today we are going to do keychain as butterfly, and in the end I will show you how to use it one more different way. For this we need two type of yarn, scissors and hook. I use 3.5 millimeter. So let's get started. For the beginning they are going to do magic ring. For this one, grab yarn 2 fingers like that, go over again, hold it here and turn it like this. You need to see 2 lines, go like this, pull yarn, turn your hook, pull yarn again, and that's it, done. Magic ring is ready. Check your yarn, it should move. So for start we need to start with 4 chain. First is not countable, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very nice. So I use the ring for the yarn. You can grab yarn as you wish. So we need to do first triple crochet, 1 and 2, go inside your ring, grab yarn, pull through 2 loops on your hook and pull through 2, and again pull through 2. So 3 times pull through 2 loops on your hook. So this is our first pattern. This is 2 triple crochet, and now we need to go to do 2 chain, 1, 2, and again 2 triple crochet, because first 1 chain counted as 1 triple crochet. So 1, pull through, 1, 2, 3, and 1 more triple crochet. Okay, very nice. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and again pull through 2. And this pattern, 1 pattern, 2 pattern, we need to repeat 6 more times. So total you need to have 16 triple crochet, and they are here, last 2 chain in the end. So now you need to close your magic ring like this, pull it tight to close center, and connect to the first chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 4 be from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, connect it, close, and that's it. Close it. Take your scissors, cut yarn, so I prefer to close it secure, do not let it go. So close it like this, and I will do stitch here, because it will be inside, it will not be thin, so you can leave it like this, or hide your tails as usual, up to you, but I will leave it like this. Now cut your tails, Very nice. So we have our central part of the butterfly. So let's start with the wings. For this, take your yarn, choose any hole. You can start everywhere you would like. Grab yarn, pull through. First one chain, pull 2 tails. I usually do 2 times 2 chains, but up to you. To make it more secure. So now we will start with 4 chain, add 3 more, 1, 2, 3. Total it will be 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again triple crochet in the triple crochet of the previous round. So 1, 2, again pull through, pull 2, okay, nice, close it, and 1 more triple crochet exactly in the same place which you just did it. Very nice, and 2 more triple crochet in the next chain, next stitch. Okay, very nice. Now 1 more in the same place. And 4 chain here between 2 pairs of triple crochet previous round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, nice. Slip stitch and 4 chain again. 2, 3, 4. Okay, very nice. Again triple crochet and the same place previous round. Again 1 more. As you see, you have this one, and continue till the end of this round. See you here. Okay, last one. Stitch, slip stitch here. And here. So now to receive butterfly, they need to connect it like this. You can use your chain ring to put inside, and you can also use it like this one. Like I will show you right now how to connect. You can use anything you want. Okay, now make 4 connection. We need to receive chain. This I did do 10 chains. 1, 2, I do 10 chains. You can adjust it, depend from your yarn type or hook size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now go here like this one. Put your, you can use chain or necklace like this, or full bracelet, anything. I prefer this time to try this one. Okay, go like this and connect it to the other side here where it started. So put your hook inside under the chains, grab yarn, pull through, go on another side, pull. Так, что-то как-то не очень. Так, еще разок. Now you're here in the beginning of the round. You did. Here you have your chain, and to connect we need to do slip knot in the beginning of the round. So grab yarn. To connect chain we need to connect this slip knot around this one. So grab yarn, pull through and pull through again. Nice. Again slip stitch here and pull it tight to secure. That's it. Here we're done. I prefer to do one more chain, one more time. Nice. And to make it more secure, you can do it like this. This is the previous round start. Okay. Very nice. So now cut your tails. And now we need to finalize our butterfly with this one. To edit, very easy. To finalize your butterfly, you need to take yarn again, make slip knot. This one. Here, like this. That's it. Or any other way you like. And I do 14 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Done. We have received final detail. So now cut your yarn, fix it. Okay, very nice. Now don't cut, it will help us to pull it through our butterfly. So I'll go here inside the body of butterfly. I'll pull it through like this and make it secure. Do it like this. Very nice. Now cut the tails. That's it. We have received our accessories, or you can do it like a keychain as well. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.